Oh my God. I feel very naked and bare right now because this is high definition quality. Like, wow, it's giving. How are we feeling? I feel good. So I bet you're wondering, Duffus, why are you in the bathroom? I'm in the bathroom because we're gonna be doing a skincare routine video today, y'all. I'm gonna be teaching y'all about skincare, every step you need to do in order for your skin to look good. From step 1 to step 1,000. And everybody has their own skincare routine. I'll be sharing mine, but also there are the basics to skincare. So I'll be telling y'all about that as well. Very excited also. We got a little alcohol as well. I swear I'm not an alcoholic. You know, adios. I don't know if I have had adios before, but you should try it. I really don't know what's in it, but I know there's tequila's in it. But anyways. Are you ready to start the video? I think we should get started. Let's just jump right into it. Are you ready to have clean skin? Are you ready to be even hotter and sexier? Well, thanks to me, you will be even hotter and sexier by the end of this video. So let's get into it. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start cleaning thy skin. I bet y'all like, why are you shirtless? Well, because I'm about to wash my face live with y'all. I wanna get into it for real with y'all. And what I'm gonna be using to clean my face is CeraVe. That looks so good. I'm sorry, that caught me off guard. Cunty. But first, let's get into the steps that you need to take to clean your skin. So, step 1 is cleanse, exfoliate, toner, serum, mask, eye cream, and moisturizer. I wrote that down. And the cool thing about this cleanser that I will be using, which is called CeraVe Renewal SA Cleanser, is that it also exfoliates at the same time. So it's like a chemical peel. So it's like 2 steps in one. So, let's wash our face. Get a nice circle going. Okay, the skin is like all wet and fresh and bare. The next step is to exfoliate. What I'm going to be using to exfoliate tonight is Bevel Skin's exfoliating pads. It's right there. It's a little pad so you just like rub across your face. It's also made for black men as well. Black skin. It also gets rid of hyperpigmentation, dark spots at the same time. It's pretty good, y'all. It's pretty dope. Alright, y'all. So we have exfoliated the skin, got rid of those dark spots and ingrown hairs. Also, something I forgot to mention was that you can double cleanse. Some people double cleanse, like cleanse with oil and a foam soap, but I just cleanse with foam gel. So the next step will usually be to tone the skin, but I ran out of toner. Slap on the wrist for me. I gotta buy some more. But like I said at the beginning of this video, this is my skincare routine. And I'm telling y'all the steps. So what you would do next is tone, but I'm gonna go ahead and skip to the serum process. And the serum I will be using is Peach and Lily Glass Skin Refining Serum. Okay, there we go. This will be refining the skin and making it more smooth looking, more glass-like, you know. Okay, I don't know if I'm just tripping, but my skin kind of looks red after using that exfoliating pad from Bevel. It really did take away a layer. So that shows how strong it is, and I feel like I'm a freaking red bubble right now on the screen, so excuse that. The next step after this would be to use a mask, and this is optional because nobody wears a mask every day, but it is always important to put a mask into your skincare routine every now and then. I recommend clay mask, mud mask. Those are like my top 2. If it's not that, then why are you using it? A rice mask. I've tried those before. Those work really well. Those like Neutrogena mask, like Hydro Boost mask. Yes. We're gonna go ahead and skip to the moisturizing process. What I'll be using to moisturize my face is CeraVe moisturizer. As you can see, I'm a huge CeraVe fan. Cunt. It's very lightweight. It doesn't clog your pores, which is very important. It lets your face breathe. That redness kind of going away. Ooh, my face feels so clean. As always, because I do my skincare routine every day. What you mean? Also, make sure to put eye creams into your routine. I'm not using the eye cream in this video. I just want to show you the basics. I cleansed my face. I exfoliated it. I put serum on it. And I moisturized it. The extra steps would be to throw in an eye cream, to throw in a face mask every now and then, and to tone your face as well. do all of that every single day besides the face mask. And don't exfoliate every single day. It will irritate your skin. Exfoliate 2 times out of the week, maybe 3. No more than that. That's very important. But I have a surprise for y'all. I have a certain item that works very well on my skin and pretty much will work for everybody. I guarantee it, or get your money back. And it is called Mario Badescu Dry Face Lotion. Let me tell you what it does. Let me tell you what it does. You know, like when you wake up and you got a pimple on your face, anywhere, cheek, forehead, chin, and you're like, dang, I want this to go away immediately. What you do is you take a Q-tip, dip it, let me put it up close so y'all can see. Take a Q-tip, dip it all the way at the bottom, and then take it out. Make sure it gets to the bottom of the bottle, because the good stuff's at the bottom of the bottle. Dip it to the bottom of the bottle, take it out, and then put it right on wherever the pimple is. Let it lay on your face for like 6 hours while you sleep. When you wake up, the pimple will borderline be gone. I'm not exaggerating. I'm telling the truth. The pimple will be gone, and if it's not gone, it'll be gone the next day if you put it on again before you go to sleep. It makes pimple, no matter where it is, disappear within 2 days. And this cost, I forgot how much it costs, but it's like $10 to $15, maybe $15, because it does its job, y'all. I also want to throw in the fact that there are different kinds of skin. You have combination skin, oily skin, and you have dry skin. Me personally, I have combination skin, which means that I have dry spots in different places and oily parts in different places, and then so basically overall it's like normal skin is what you would see on the bottle, normal to combination skin. But if you have dry skin, I recommend buying products that are for your dry skin. You can't have dry skin and be buying products that are for oily skin or combination skin. It's really all personal for you. So if you're not sure what kind of skin you have, I would go see a dermatologist, or at least try to look up tips online that will help you figure out what your skin type might be. So like the things I showed you in this video, it might not work for your skin because I have combination skin. So in order for your skin to look its best and for you to feel your best, I recommend getting to know your skin personally. And once you figure out what your skin type is, you are set. But thank you for watching this video. I hope y'all learned a lot about skincare. I try to throw in as much as I could. Once again, skincare is different for everybody, but I just want to give y'all the basics. So thank you for watching. Go ahead and subscribe right there. Just go ahead and click this button right here. Yeah. Trying to get to 500 subscribers, and we're at 347 right now, I believe. The family is growing, so I appreciate y'all for being a part. I appreciate y'all for watching these videos. Go ahead and follow me on every social media platform you see down below. All right, I will see y'all in the next video. Deuces.